You're listening to the Seen and Solved podcast, brought to you by Hubbard-Hall.
How important is that they have these people that work in these facilities know exactly what they're doing and getting set up?
Yeah, it's the most important thing in the world, because it can, if they're not doing it correctly, it'll half to quarter the bath life, and then you're spending significantly more on product and not getting the desirable results. More stuff gets kicked back from QC, and then everything spirals from there.
And downtime with that line while you're trying to get it fixed and those type of things, which is money they'll never get back. And that's what I hear from a lot of shop owners when they have problems like this. They can never get that money back. It's gone. Out in the field, what are you seeing, and what have you seen that share a problem that you saw, and how did you fix it when it came to getting the tank set up properly?
Yeah, I ran into a shop that they were using town water for their rinsing steps, assuming that it was fine. And it normally is, but in this particular case, there were additives to that were leaving behind residual that was then mixing in with the DI water when they were going to make up the tank, and that was causing failures. When we attempted to rinse the whole thing with DI water, it worked perfectly. Using that to rinse a 300-gallon tank is more expensive for sure, but it is significantly less than having to remake the bath twice as often.
The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.